Hi guys, we have the unboxing here for 12 DC. It has plug with fuse protection, adjustable water pressure, water pump includes both suction cup and S hose or shock with holder for hanging the shower, 2 meters hose, travel storage bag included, suitable for indoor and outdoor purposes. There's a 12-volt portable shower set. So guys, this is a brand adventure rider. Here it is. I already removed it from this because I think we put something heavy on the top, so we didn't get. But anyway, here it is. Here is the bag that they sell here. Here is all whole thing here. Okay, that's the whole thing here. Probably this is the bag with fuse protection, I think. Plastic, 2-meter plastic hose, travel storage bag included. Yeah, this is a travel storage bag included. There's something inside too. Let's see what's inside on this. There's something in here. Oh yeah, I think this is the one you put some water. I don't know. No, it's a travel bag. See? Travel storage bag included for outdoor purposes. That one. And there's a hose here. See, it's still attached, so I don't have to remove it. This is everything here that name in here in the box. This one needs something to put in. Maybe one day we can go camping and then I show it to you how it's done. This is my husband thing for this, but I'm learning. I think this is a pump here. This one obviously connector to put it in your battery, you know, when you do camping, so you got some electricity on it, especially camping without any electricity. This one is good. And then this is the pump. I think something pump here so the water can go on and off. And this is your hose with the nice handheld thing. See, that's it to get the water pump here. Awesome guys. And you put it in the battery. This one connect in the, I think you can do hot water too. I'm not sure. We have to do this one thing. Oh, here is the box here. Shower portable. See the suction cup to hang to shower. Yeah, that's the one here, the black. This one to shower on. And this one is hook for hanging the shower. Where is it? I couldn't find it. Oh, maybe that's the one in here in the box. Yeah, something here. Obviously that's the, yeah, that's in here. Have a look what it look like anyway. Anyway guys, inside the box. Yeah, here it is. Yeah, that's his letter S hook. Yeah, that's in there. So we pull it and it become like this here. This is good. It's foldable too, so you can fold this as well. So this is in the bag. So protect all this hose here. Adjustable water pressure and complete submerge the pump in the water. So we submerge this one here in the pump water, and once like this in the story, look, and do not remove the water from the wash operation. Okay, don't remove it. If no more water comes out, submerge the pump. Just this all the information here. For sure it's pretty good. Suction hook and black rubber seals, water pump knob. Yeah, that's how it look like. That's it. Electric pump on and off switch. Absolutely. And on and off switch that I show you, and then this is attached to the 12 DC 12 volts DC plug with fuse protection. Yes, that's it. like the color one, 12 volt. Very nice. Only when you do camping or touring though. Yeah guys, thanks for watching. This is our RYDER adventure. That's it. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Please comment down below if you been using this before. Thank you. Have a good day. We are here in Australia guys, and first time we bought this. I'm not sure how much the price. I forgot, $60 or $45. Thanks guys. See you next time. Comment down below if you see this before or you use this before. Thanks. Have a good day. Cheers. Enjoy your travel or enjoy camping with this nice pumping electricity with your 12 volts DC battery. Cheers. Bye bye.